with no coat on.
I told you they were right there. Okay, this is the... Okay, we're outside. Okay, guys, we are outside. Gonna go sledding on this ice storm. We don't have much snow. This is all snow we've got today. But over here, you can see how much ice we've got.
Oh my God!
If I find a good stick, I'll show you.
Show him.
Yeah, it's gonna be difficult. Kind of bad. And there's all this ice on there. You see that break?
Tyler!
Take an inch of ice.
Oh yeah, you gotta run.
No, you don't want.
Shut up, Carly!
You don't go fast down it. You get stuck. And then you gotta move your foot.
Oh!
Charlie, you need to move. Alright, this is a perfect example. Look at all this ice, this droopy. This is drooping. Being droopy. It knocked over this thing. Knocked over all the ice. Knocked all this stuff over. Doesn't look like there's ice on it, but yeah, that's all ice on all this wind, all that. There's ice on that. Not much on these. There's ice all over this. Again, another perfect example. Ice. And where's my sled? And some more examples. I'm just slowing them all to...
Look it.
Did it hurt? I'm just showing them
Phil!
all the examples.
Uh-oh.
Alright, I'm going down. Coming in. I fell. Keep coming. Keep coming. And through. Sitting under here. It's like icier than frick.